My friends at Big Cow sent me this dual nozzle bidet. You know what? When you put one of these in one of the toilets in your house, it becomes the favorite of some people. And the missus was saying that she, even when she's downstairs, she will go avoid, like, there's several bathrooms downstairs, but she will go to her bathroom to use this because it just makes a whole different experience, you know, when it comes to you know what the bidet does. I'm gonna show you what it comes. And what's easy about this, what's great about this, is that it's the easy installation, you see? And everything that you need for installing it comes in here. So, let me show you the pieces, right? It's really well made, right? Everything is thought of here. And you'll see, everything makes sense because I'm gonna show you how to put it together. Just showing you what comes in the box. So this comes in the box, right? Everything, like I said, that you need comes in here. Let's open this. It comes with all the tooling that you're going to need to connect this to your toilet, because it needs water from the toilet. So that's why it comes with like these hoses, right? At the correct it comes with the valve where you are going to separate you're going to take water from, and everything's well made. You see that? It's perfect. And these is so that since you're adding something to the toilet, you're gonna need these shoes to put on the lid to level it up. So it has 3 of them, and it comes with the sticky side so that you can connect it. So I'm gonna do a video of the installation of this, but it just to say that when you start using one of these bidets, you're going to want to always use it. Okay, now it has 2 settings, right? So it has here for frontal water, so there's going to be a spurt of water that to the front, and on the other side right here for the tush. So you decide where you want the water to go. So that's why it has these 2 little nozzles here, that depending on what you select here, one of these nozzles has different angles, right, of where the water is going to spurt, like where you're going to feel the burst of water. So this is very important that you know that you see those little dots right there. The darker the dots, the harder the pressure of the water, so be wary of that. Okay, and then here in the middle, it's just the off button, right? Now, be worried, because you cannot leave your kids alone in the bathroom with this, because they will definitely want to play with this. So if you have kids, I don't know how you do it so that they don't decide that they're gonna play with this bidet, because if the lid is open and they move this, the water is going to you're gonna have a fountain in your bathroom. So just something to have in mind, because we're experienced in this. So I'm gonna show you how to put it together, and then